Hey you, do you know me? In '93 we went on this, we call it a strategic technology tour to US. In December '95 the technology report was presented, and that was a result of our research work since the original trip we went on. Plan and the story about the future, what we were trying to do, and also to convince the customer that we take care of them and we will help them with a smooth ride into the future.
Those days we actually identified the architecture into tiers and layers.
Yeah.
Having this first version, as you said, in the architecture in place before doing actually the development was also a key decision.
One of the most important milestones was that in January, February '97, when we took the decision to go for Java. Then we had to start this VOODOO project.
Until October '97, the project was actually more like a research project to find out if this was possible to perform or not. And, after that, I entered the scene and with the purpose to scale up the project. The first task for me was to join or to merge the Intentia culture and the new paradigm of Java and object technology. To prove the concept, we created the first prototype, POS 015, and it was finished in November. Then we got the first go-ahead. After the final decision in June '98, we made the first delivery to the customer project, Dev 112, in August.
When I started with this task, the first thing I did, I looked into RPG code, how it's done, how the case system is done, how the development environment is built up here. And I find out that it's very nice. It's almost exceptional here in Intentia. The modern software, like MOVEX on size 15 million lines, cannot be written manually. It must not be written manually, it must be done automatically by tools. Automatic condensation of RPG code into Java is just a small piece of the work what must be done. The biggest part of the work is re-educate all the people.
It's a privilege to be part of the VOODOO team and still be alive.
The mission for that project was to produce the first MOVEX Java version of MOVEX NextGen version 11. And the scope was to use all the results from another project called RDS 9705, even called internally the VOODOO project. So we were the customer, they were our supplier. We had to see that this environment and tools could be used to solve the complete MOVEX, all functionality MOVEX. The most thing that is left now is the testing. Testing and testing. Couldn't test enough. Perhaps the most important for the success of this project was what I call the Intentia spirit. Nothing is impossible. You have to make it.
The main responsibilities of the development and delivery team has been three. The first one has been to create a development environment that covers all the MOVEX parts, and that turned out to be the IDS, Integrated Development Studio. The second goal has been to take care of databases, conversion of databases and maintenance of databases in the future.
And the third goal has been to take care of delivery and installation of the entire new MOVEX Next Generation. You never understand if you have found all the obstacles or if you are going to find some more ones. And the important ones that you never know of is performance, because performance is always bad in the beginning, but then you have to tune it and work with it.
Writing documentation about MOVEX NextGen is to be acquainted with all parts of the product, to extract information from the experts, and to write manuals that are read by people from different backgrounds. Besides the written documentation, we will also provide the integrated development studio with an online documentation covering all the manuals that we're writing.
We chose the roadshow as a major channel for this. And we choose it because when you want to deliver an advanced message, people are key. So we decided to bring on the scene our own people. But then we also built a package of more traditional marketing activities around it. So we have advertising, corporate advertising, we have direct marketing, we have telemarketing, we're on the internet, and we have a package of publicity. When positioning a company, being first is important.
Just before the tour, we launched a letter which we call the announcement letter, which is then giving all the information that the partners need. Another part in the project was that I was also involved in creating the presentation for the Intentia solution, which is the way we will present our different offers we have for the customers.
MOVEX Next Gen, it is first, it is future-proof, and it's credibility.
The focus in the MOVEX NextGen project has of course been on providing a technologically advanced solution and architecture. However, without our customers accepting this solution and being able to take advantage of what we have developed, it's worth nothing. A lot of emphasis has therefore been put on providing our customers with a very straightforward and easy to use migration path from this generation technology to next generation technology.